Hey guys, good evening. It's Jared here with More Outdoor Life. The wifey here just ordered some new hammocks, and this is Qevooon, maybe? Qevooon? I don't know. I can't pronounce stuff. But anyways, she ordered these probably a month or so ago. We've had them up once or twice. Kids were wanting them when we go camping. They heard their daddy here used to sleeping nothing but a hammock when he went. So, yeah, if you'll hold that, it's very windy today. It's supposed to be windy tonight all through tomorrow. But anyhow, because it is so nice out, we thought we would sleep outside in the night because the kids won't let us have a piece of quiet till we do. So we thought y'all might like to see how easy they are to go up. These do have a built-in bug net that will, I guess we'll show y'all how they go up. I personally don't want one over me till the mosquitoes come out. But,
they're also rated for 500 pounds.
Yeah, so you know, you and the wife can both get in them and sleep and look at the stars. I don't know how well that's going to work. So, and they are self-contained. This pouch, you don't have to worry about keeping up with this. It is sewn into the hammock, and as far as the screen, if you don't want the screen, you'll see in a minute, you can flip this over and have just the, I guess this is nylon or something. I'm not sure. I'm hoping it breathes come summertime. Also, we do not get paid to sponsor them. Like, we've just been really pleased. So maybe we'll come back in a year or two, or maybe a few months if we've used them a whole bunch, and see how they've held up. So here we go.
If I can figure it out, I will include the link in the description.
I used to know how to do that, but you know, that was like 25 years ago, and things have changed a little since then. All right, you got two straps here. We're just gonna do this together. On these straps, we've only done this a few times, so you got one in here that's an open loop, and as you come down through here toward the bottom a few feet down, you have many small loops, and this is where the hammock is going to hook in. We have been just taking the big loop and going through the tree like so, but I know the other night we had it up before a storm rolled in, and we had to do it the opposite way just because of the distance between the trees. Everything just dumps out of that bag. As I was telling y'all, it's sewn in right here. You can see, got the bug net on this side. You hold it, kind of hold it open and try to see it a little bit if y'all can. It's starting to get dark out here. So anywho, we're gonna attach this. It has some kind of like a carabiner on the ends here. There's some nylon rope holding it all on very well.
Straight.
Yeah, you're straight. And I'll, you don't go so far. Yeah, come on down a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe. That'll make a difference.
Maybe Alyssa or you or me.
Yeah, that might work. So, all right, anyways, it's up. We're done. Don't have the bug net yet. We flip it over without the bug net. And I'm right at 200 pounds, so you can see that even there, this is very comfortable. Yeah, all right, let's show the bug net real quick. All right, for the bug net, comes with some little nylon rope here. Got some elastic in. Nope, you're good with that one.
That's the nylon one.
Well, we got, I really don't know which one they got. They give you several. Got a little D-ring here on the ends.
You have to use the stretchy one or it won't work.
What we did, I did the other night with the boys, I just took this and just had a knot that will, I'm not no, but y'all Boy Scouts out there can tell me, hey, here's a better knot. But you come back around to your tree. And hold it up, and you got a zipper somewhere in here. I find it up here in the middle. And you can open it up. I better wait for her, she'll yell at me. Here, give me that there. No, it's fine. It's just I'm too heavy. Yeah, if I would have not zipped that so far, I could have reached it. anyways, nice bug net.
And on the inside, there's a little pouch for your cell phone.
Is there? Oh, there is, way down there.
Yeah.
I'm sleeping on the wrong end.
And that's all there is to it. We'll see how comfortable they are to sleep in overnight. We slept in the hammocks last night. It was really fun. The wind blew hard all night, so that was an experience. The hammock were going the whole time. One of the kids bunked in with me for part of the night, and it reminded me that we did buy single hammocks, not the double ones they offered, because 2 is crowded. But they are comfortable, so go get you one and get outdoors. Are they fun?
Yes.